What's going on, everybody? Gold Teeth here, Gold Teeth Miller TV, coming at you today from the Indo Expo here in Denver, Colorado, at the Denver Mart. I'm here today with David from National Marijuana Info. So he's going to let us know some info. So let you know the info. Here we go.
Hi, National Marijuana Info. We are a free informational resource online for people in the marijuana industry and people who want to be in the marijuana industry. We've got a great industry calendar of events. It's free. You can go and check out all the different things that are happening around the country. We've also got a great business directory for all kinds of businesses that are cannabis friendly, cannabis industry friendly. A lot of folks in the industry have a lot of trouble finding good quality companies that are willing to work with them. And we've got about 700-800 folks, different companies right now in that area. We also have the star of Weed Country from Discovery Channel, who's his name is Mike Booten. He's got his own section called the Growers Corner. He's got a blog going on, and he does a whole bunch of interviews with different companies as well to give you more information on what's being offered and different things that are happening that are available. So check us out, like us on Facebook, retweet us on Twitter, and check us out, nationalmarijuanainfo.org.
Yeah. There it is, Gold Teeth Miller TV. Here with David holding it down. You guys be safe, stay positive, stay true to yourself, and keep doing what you do. Peace.